Momo challenge scary story. Night, bedroom. It was 2:17 a.m. when my phone buzzed. A Facebook message request from an account with no name, no profile picture, just a blurry smile that didn't look human. The message read, "I see you." I laughed it off. Probably a troll. I blocked the account and put my phone face down. The message was back. Same account, same picture, but this time it said, "Blocking doesn't work." My chest tightened. I checked my privacy settings. Everything was locked. Then another message appeared. "Nice room, blue walls, window open." I froze. Slowly, I turned my head towards the window. Bedroom. Silence, nothing outside. Just darkness. I grabbed my phone with shaking hands. Me, typing, "Who are you?" 3 dots appeared instantly. "Momo. I'm the one you ignored." My phone vibrated again. A photo loaded. It was me, asleep, taken minutes ago. Panic, I tried deleting Facebook. The app vanished, then reappeared on its own. My screen went black except for that face. Wide eyes, twisted smile. "Momo, you're awake now." "Good." The lights in my room flickered. My phone whispered, not wrong, whispered my name. Final message, one last message popped up before the screen shut off completely. This is how it starts. "Check your message requests." Screen cuts to black. Text on screen. "Some accounts don't want to be unfriended."